Hey everyone! Today I want to give you a super simple explanation of what PyTorch is and why it's such a big deal in the world of AI and deep learning. Don't worry, you don't need to be a math genius or a programmer to get the idea. Just imagine this. You're trying to teach a computer how to recognize whether a photo has a cat or a dog. That's deep learning, and PyTorch is one of the best tools out there to help you build that kind of smart system. So, what exactly is PyTorch? In short, it's a Python library, basically a set of tools that makes it really easy to build and train AI models. One of the main things it works with is something called a tensor. If that sounds scary, it's really just a fancy word for a multidimensional array, kind of like a superpowered Excel table that can store things like images, sound, or numbers. Now, here's the cool part. PyTorch comes with something called Autograd. It's like having a super helpful assistant that automatically calculates how your model should improve as it learns from data. So instead of doing all the complex math yourself, PyTorch does it for you, behind the scenes, while you focus on building your model. People love PyTorch because it feels a lot like regular Python. It's flexible, easy to understand, and you can experiment without jumping through hoops. PyTorch helps you bring your machine learning ideas to life quickly. Hope it made things clearer. Don't forget to like and subscribe.